Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, you can tell from my voice I'm very happy because first time in history I'm seeing these fresh leaves to buy, even if they are not that cheap, though I appreciate seeing it at all. This is green. I will revive them in water. Yeah, I'll go and put them in water to revive. This is green leaf. This one is a scent leaf. Yeah, this is scent leaf. This scent leaf is a €3.50. The green is 3. This green is also €3.50. And this is ugu leaf. The small one here is ugu leaf, and this ugu leaf is €5. I bought this ugu leaf for €5. Yeah, so these are them. I only bought these ones. I'll be using it to make vegetable soup, mixture of all leaves. In this vegetable soup I'm about to make, there will be spinach, this scent leaf, green, ugu leaf, and bitter leaf. Yeah, I'll be adding all the leaf inside to make this vegetable leaf. So stay tuned and let's make the food together. So guys, I've prepped everything for this vegetable soup. Here is the ugu leaf. This is green. This is spinach. I brought it out from the freezer, that is why it's looking this way. This is my crayfish, pepper mix, my diced pomo, bitter leaf, and scent leaf. I'll be adding a little bit of scent leaf to it. So here is the meat and fish I'll be using. In here I have abodi, pomo, fish, and a ring. Yes, I've cooked everything and I even fried the fish. Yeah. So my onions. This is ginger and garlic, homemade. I made it myself. This is onions, scotch bonnet, and paprika. Yeah. So cover it and let it cook for a while.